assistant Pepper and she is 3. Today I'm going to show you how to make a salad and I'm going to tell you one fact about each ingredient. Okay, first is bell pepper. Bell peppers are very high in vitamin C. They're actually a fruit. Okay, you get to try a bite, okay? Yummy or icky? What do you think?
Yum.
Yum? Okay. Next is the carrot. The carrot is a root vegetable and is made up of 88% water. Try some carrot. Cucumbers only have a small amount of vitamins, but give you fiber. Try some cucumber.
I don't like mushroom.
You have a big bite. Go. Chew it up.
Yum.
Yum. Mushrooms are a fungus and provide a lot of vitamin B. Just a little taste. Okay?
No.
I'll give you this. Close your eyes. I'll give you some water after. Okay? Tomatoes are actually a fruit. They are very low in calories. And I won't give her any tomato because she doesn't like tomato.
No.
Okay. Avocado. Avocados have a good fat and has a lot of vitamin E.
Yummy.
Okay, celery. Celery is good at cleaning your mouth and teeth. I want some of this too. I like celery. Yummy? And then chicken. I love the smell of chicken. Chicken is high in protein and tastes great. You love some chicken? Chicken is yummy.
Pretend when you give me some chicken.
No, it's a video. Just eat that here. Okay. Lettuce is mostly water. It has a load. Okay, try some lettuce. Well, just try a bite, okay? You want it? Okay. Now we're gonna make a salad. I need a plate.
Use your bowl. That bowl of lettuce.
Oh, yeah, because okay. So we're gonna add some bell peppers. Can I get a spoon?
You can use your fork.
Okay. Bell peppers.
Well,
Some of this to our salad, right?
yeah.
I just use my hand and get a little. See, some salad. Okay. Some carrots. I really like carrots.
Me too.
You want to put some in? Good.
I don't want my store.
Some cucumber.
Cucumber.
You can put some in too. We like cucumber, don't we?
Yes.
Okay, some. We do not want mushrooms
No.
or tomatoes because she doesn't like those. We're going to do avocado. Actually, yes, tomatoes. Yes.
No.
I'll make you a different. I'll make you a different salad later. This is my salad. Some avocado. This is what this goes.
You can tip it up if you want.
Okay.
Or ask Pepper to use spoon. Either way.
Can you go get me a spoon, assistant? Assistant is great. Don't step on the paws. It's just a muffin. Okay. You want lots of avocado because we love it.
Yeah.
You can eat that.
in there. You just lick that spoon.
Now do what?
Just set it down.
Okay. Some celery because it's good for your teeth.
Celery.
Right? And some chicken. We love
Chicken.
chicken, don't we?
Yes, we do.
Some chicken
Yummy
in that
chicken.
salad. Chicken.
Chicken.
Some salad.
Chicken.
And one more thing. We like raspberry vinaigrette dressing for our salad, but you can use ranch or any other of your favorite sauce.
Ranch or any
Shake it up.
Shake
Is that
it
good?
up.
Okay. Hi, Muffin. Okay. I just pour a little like this.
Too much.
That's not too much. Okay.
And what are you going to drink with it?
Oh yeah, and last, and don't forget to drink your water. Yummy? Bye. Thanks for watching. Wait. Watch us try it. Get a fork. Go get a fork.
Fork for us too. Fork for us.
Good. You get one? Ready? Let's try this. Ready? Okay, try it.
Take to a fork.
It's really yummy. Bye.